This classic Chinese takeout dish is getting a vegan spin today. Crispy cubes of tofu are coated in a glistening sweet and spicy sauce and served with freshly steamed rice. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni and today we're making General Tso Tofu. Before we begin guys, I need you to do me a little favor. Please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our little notification bell. Let's get into it. Start by pressing the tofu. Pat the block of tofu dry and wrap the tofu with paper towels or a kitchen towel and place on a plate. Now top the tofu with another plate and set a heavy object on top of it. What we're gonna do is try to press out all of that moisture that's in there. Leave the tofu like this for 15 to 20 minutes. While the tofu is draining, let's preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and line the sheet pan with parchment paper. In a large bowl, whisk together the soy sauce or tamari, mirin, sesame oil, garlic powder, and onion powder. Remove the weight, the plate, and the wrapping from the tofu and cube it into 1-inch cubes. Place the tofu in a large bowl and add the vinegar mixture to it. Toss it to coat and transfer the tofu to the refrigerator and let it marinate for like 30 minutes or even overnight if you want to prep ahead of time. While the tofu is marinating, make the sauce. Whisk together the vegetable stock, ketchup, soy sauce, mirin, rice vinegar, sesame oil, sugar, and cornstarch in a small bowl. In a large shallow bowl, add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and remove the tofu from the refrigerator and toss it with the cornstarch to coat it. This is gonna make our tofu super crispy. In a large skillet over medium heat, heat the grapeseed oil. And when the oil gets really hot, add the tofu and fry it until it is crispy on all sides, about 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the tofu from the skillet and add it to a plate lined with paper towels just to let the excess oil drain. Add the garlic and ginger and saute it until it's fragrant. Less than a minute, don't burn it. Add the sauce mixture to the skillet and cook it until the sauce gets super thick. Add the crispy tofu back to the skillet and toss it in our sauce to coat it. That's it, it's super easy. Garnish it with green onions and sesame seeds and serve with vegan fried rice, plain rice, or even zucchini noodles. Babes, enjoy. This is so simple, so delicious. If you want the full recipe, don't forget to head to that description box below or go to cozymeal.com/recipes. If you have not already, do me that favor, hit the like button and hit subscribe to the channel. Babes, as always, my name is Yanni and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios.